Hi, this is Ed with another tip. Today we'll be demonstrating how to use the alignment tool. Manual alignment can be time consuming since you are really dependent on visual aid. You could use the move command and attempt to move the parts, that way they align correctly. But they're fully dependent on which grid each component has been placed on. So this could be quite time consuming. For then we've implemented what's called the alignment tool. I'm going to go ahead and define a group for these 4 passive parts. Oops. Let me go ahead and enable the group command. I'll go ahead and select the alignment icon right here. And I have multiple options to select. Here I'm going to use first, I'm going to distribute them horizontally. As you can see, my components automatically move. Now they're equally distributed by their centers. Now I have the option to align it to the topmost component or to the bottommost component. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and align them to the bottommost component. So I'll select this option on my action toolbar. Now with 2 mouse clicks, I've been able to align them vertically as well as to the bottommost component. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.